we're back with Vance.
Yeah, buddy. All right, today what we're doing is this guy has a Hayward DE filter. We're gonna replace it with a Pentair Cartridge Filter. And let's get working, huh? One thing with these is because this is a DE filter, we don't need a backwash valve. So I'm getting rid of that whole thing and I'm gonna replumb it all. That's the benefit of having a cartridge filter, is no backwashing, no DE, and all that crap.
So this is gonna look a lot more simplified when you're done.
It's gonna look better, it's gonna be easier to maintain, and it's gonna clean the pool just as well as this filter. Gotta go potty. You can edit that. Probably should have done this over there. Now my workspace is all flooded.
Well, if anybody's seen Vance's first video, he kind of likes to perform underneath the water.
Yeah.
Like
I like the possibility of getting electrocuted.
oh boy. Oh my.
All right. So this is the backwash line. We don't need this anymore. This is a flow switch for the salt system. Uh-oh, I scratch it.
No, that's a lens cap on there.
Dirt.
Yeah, they're kind of designed to be banged up a little, so.
That's good, because you got a rough, rugged guy here, you know. If you don't learn anything, maybe you get a little entertained, you know?
Oh, that's guaranteed. That's when I had the option to come in and see this install with you or with somebody else today. I said, I gotta go with Vance.
Hands down. And if you were live streaming, we could ask the viewers if they wanted me to take the shirt off.
Oh, whoa! Hey, if you're watching this, that's more to come.
No, we might have to charge for that, though.
We don't want to reveal that lower back tattoo that you.
Oh, I'm the one who put those in style. You know what I mean? I started that trend.
Oh man.
Teflon.
I've never seen that in like a kind of pencil form like that. It's usually like a tape, right?
Yeah, this is a Teflon stick. I love it. I like it better than tape.
Ah, yeah. It seems a little. It just stays in place, doesn't like fall off.
It's called a joint stick.
Okay.
Try not to rock the camera. So the fun thing about this is reverse of the DE, so that inlet is on top, so this goes to here, so this has to come up.
Gotta get creative with the plumbing, it sounds like.
Yeah, I'll do the top first. So.
Holy cow, that stuff smells strong.
Really? I don't even notice it. That's funny.
Just exploded out of that can.
I don't even smell it. I like it.
Oh yeah.
Get the perfect measurement, see?
New filter. Just need this piece of plumbing to connect to this salt cell here. Gonna get a housing piece that looks like this to install right here on this piece. That will go down and under this piece of plumbing, and then it will connect there.